So Matt, can I ask a question? Is it safe to say that the traditional methodology of billing that the insurance world loves, right? Monthly premiums, where endorsement activity does tend to lag both when you add a vehicle and delete a vehicle, doesn't work real well for this section of the world.
Of course not, right? Most trucking companies are operating anywhere from like a 3 to 8% margin. 5% is the safe number when you're mapping this out. So cash flow is massive for these guys. Anytime that you can put them into a program that is tailored to, let's call it a pay-as-you-go model, that significantly improves their ability to operate, meet their client demands, and then of course, expand and shrink as needed. So they're not
Okay.
shouldering as much of that cost that we talked about.
Wow. Awesome. So the good news is, my two colleagues here will expand upon, there is such a program that exists, that is just coming into the marketplace that we've been working on putting together. And I would toss it over to Brian Ice to start the ball rolling on sharing what's going on with that.
Yeah, I mean, given the nature of what we've traditionally done for many years in the last mile or the final mile space, there's a lot of similarities, right? So we're utilizing similar markets that have a similar appetite, same underwriters. So again, a lot of our final mile customers have also entered the UIIA space as well. So again, but we recognize some of the billing aspects might be a little more advantageous if we constructed things a different way. And with that new program, there is going to be a weekly settlement deduction option via ACH. It will be all encompassing, meaning auto liability, physical damage, motor truck cargo, general liability, as well as occupational accident coverage. So and also workers' compensation for the actual motor carrier in this case. So it's all encompassing, like I said, with a nice user-friendly payment platform that should suffice and fit the needs for this class of business. So we're pretty excited about it.
I think also too, the benefit of that payment platform is the tracking that goes along with it. They're going to have the fleet and driver tracking through CBA, through a third-party provider that's ultimately going to give them access to that information at their fingertip, and it's going to be exchanged between them and the underwriter, which enables that real-time weekly payables.
So we have total visibility on what is being insured for at what time. Cost structure wise is all completely transparent and visible. So the trucking company or the intermodal carrier in this case, right, can see and understand and know exactly what to expect from a cost structure.
Right. And that's one of the greatest things about transportation clients. Their business is always changing, right? Trucks break down, trucks are running fine. They've got new owner operators, coming into the company. Having a program that can change with them, which of course I'm thrilled to hear that we've built that. Having a program that manages their insurance while they're moving as well is going to be very advantageous to the industry.